Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up parental controls on REALME 11 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings, then find the Google on the bottom. Now right here you can see which accounts are logged in to your device, and you can do that by clicking on this arrow, and in this case I'm going to change for that one, and then scroll down and select parental controls. Here we can begin a setup by clicking on get started. You can pick who will be using this device, child or teen, or a parent. In this case I'm going to go with child or teen. Move to the next step. Here you can select the account, Google account for your child, and you can also add another one or create another one right here, but I'm gonna click on that one. And it says that this account will be signed out from this device, and I'm gonna continue with that. Now we want to log into our parent account, and I'm gonna do that but off screen. And right here you can read through the information what the supervision does, and I'm gonna scroll down real slow so you can read through that. Also keep in mind that you can stop video anytime and read the text if you can't keep up. Now let me scroll through all of the other devices. This account works as a supervisor, and now we can enter the password for our child account. And I'm gonna do that off the screen, of course. Now we need to allow supervision. Now our accounts are linked and we can click on next. Here we can manage which apps will give access to our child. You can scroll down, and the more you go down, the more PG will grow. And when you're ready, click on the next. Manage filters and settings for all those specific services. And here we can install Family Link if you want. Let's do that. And we can finally review controls. You can see how much of a screen time this device already had. You can set the limit and etc. So you can have fun using those settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.